Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to restart your computer into safe mode using system configuration. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and you need to type in msconfig. You now need to click on system configuration and we now need to go across to boot. Once you're in the boot menu, you will see an option here that says safe boot. We can now tick this box. And we now have a few options. We have the minimal option. That will boot safe mode with basically nothing at all, which is the best way if you're having problems with your computer, like you've got a virus or system errors, because you will be able to fix those problems, as nothing will boot. Or we have the network option, which will simply allow us to be able to connect to the internet in safe mode, which is obviously handy if you need to download something in safe mode, but you shouldn't need to because you should download whatever it is you need and put it onto a USB stick. We can now go ahead and press apply and restart our computer into safe mode. But before you do go into safe mode, just remember that you do need to go back into this system configuration and untick safe mode once you have finished. Otherwise, when you restart your computer, you will end up going back into safe mode again. So just remember to untick that box and then press apply again, and then you can restart your computer and you will end up in proper Windows and not safe mode. And that is it for this video. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.